All right, so now that we've gotten a little more comfortable with Tor and using the Tor interface, before we actually dive into using the deep web and exploring that, I think it's important we go over some of the nuances or the differences in the deep web that are different from the normal internet. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the URLs. They're a lot different than normal website URLs. Normal website URLs are like www.google.com or .net or .org. These are usually it's just the name of the website and a top-level domain after that, so whatever. But on the deep web, it's a tad different in the way that the website name is made. So Google on the dark web might actually look something like this. It would be Googled in a bunch of numbers and letters and then .onion. All the websites when using the Tor browser are going to be called .onion. And this URL is a generated URL. It's just kind of random, created by a computer. And it only contains the normal alphabet in lowercase and then numbers 2 through 7. So that's a little bit different than what you're used to. And you can see how, not everyone would know how to memorize all those domains. You couldn't really memorize that domain. It would be pretty difficult. So that's why you'll need to find some ways to get URLs for websites and find that, which we'll show you in the next video. And on top of that, of course, the browsing is different as well. And when using the dark web, you can't really use like a normal browser like Google. Google does index some onion sites that you could access with Tor, but it's really not the best tool for that, and it's not made for that. And if it does index them, it's for other reasons than that it's actually indexing deep web sites. So a better alternative to that would be like deep web search engines, and we'll show you a few of those in the next video and actually use them and explore with them. So that's basically the main differences between the deep web and the regular internet. I thought we should just go through those before we actually start using the deep web so you can actually be familiar with what we'll be talking about in the next video. So head to the next video where we'll actually use Tor and get to what this course is all about, and that's using the deep web.